Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we will start our third lesson, that is give and take. We had already discussed about various terms we use for addition and subtraction. Link of that video you can check it in the description box. So this video is presented by me, Lal Mohammed. Let's start. So name of our topic is give and take. What do you understand by give and take? Let's see. There are two students there in the picture. One is Raja and another one is Rani. Rani was so upset. So Raja asked her, "What happened, dear?" Then she replied, "You have more toffees than me. Let's count." Raja has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 number of toffees. And how many toffees Rani has? Rani has 1, 2, 3, and 4 number of toffees. So to make her mood right, Raja gave her 2 toffees. Now we can see in the picture, Raja has 6 number of toffees, Rani has also same number of toffees. So what do you see in this scene? In this scene, Raja gave 2 toffees to Rani and Rani take 2 toffees from Raja. Now I think everyone got what do you understand by give and take. In case of give, the object you have get decreased. It means like here Raja had 8 toffees, but when he gave 2 of them to Rani, number of toffees decrease. So we can subtract 2 from 8 to get the number of toffee Raja had. So here in the beginning Raja had 8 number of toffees and he gave 2 of them to Rani. So now he had 6 number of toffees. And in case of take, the object you have got increase. Like here Rani had 4 number of toffees. Then Raja gave her 2 more. So he take 2 toffees from Raja. Then it increases to 4 plus 2 to 6. Okay. Now she had 6 number of toffees. So this is what we understand by give and take. We had seen our surrounding that many of the people can calculate simple calculation without using any pen and paper. So in this video, we'll also try to calculate small mathematical calculation, small mathematical operation in our mind. So be attentive and let's reveal the suspense. Today we will play a mathematical game. To participate in this game, you just need a number grid table from 1 to 100. And also we have to know some basic rules, concept of this game. Let's just revise some of the concept which we have already discussed in our previous video. Okay, so let's start. We know any 2-digit number has 2 places. Those are tens and ones. Let's take an example. There is a number in the screen, that is 72. 72 in the 72, 7 is being placed in the position of tens and 2 is being placed in the position of ones. So 72 has how many tens? Yes, you are right. 7 tens and how many ones? 2 ones. Okay. When you expand those tens, say when you add those 7 tens, then it will make 70, and when you add those 2 ones, it will make 2 itself. Let's know the position of any 3-digit number also. In case of 3-digit number, there are 3 positions are there. First one is 100, then tens, then ones. If you take an example in this screen, there is a number that is 123. 1 is being placed in the position of 100, 2 is being placed in the position of tens, and 3 is being placed in the position of ones. So how many 100 are there? 100 are there in this number. And how many tens are there? 2 tens are there in this number. And how many ones are there? 3 ones are there in this number. We had now revised our previous knowledge. Now let's move forward towards the games. Okay, I had already said in the beginning that for this game we need a number grid, a number table, and this is look like this. You can see in the screen. In this table some rows are there and some columns are there. before starting the game we should know what do you understand by row and what do you understand by column. So from left side to right side, these are called as rows. Like I have written, this one is row number 1, this one is row number 2, this one is row number 3. Like this it will continue up to row number 10. And in case of upward to downward, it is called column. So in this case, first one is, this one is column 1, this one is column 2, this one is column 3. Like this it will continue up to column 10. In this number grids, there are numbers from 1 to 100 in a proper manner. You can draw it in a A4 size paper for your reference. In the next part of this video, you may need the help of this number grid. So you can just wait here. You can draw this number in a A4 size paper and take that paper in front of you for the ahead calculation. Now let's know about some rules of this game. Okay. Can you identify this is a row or a column? Yes, you are right. This is a column. We already know there are two places are there in any two-digit number. Those are tens and ones. In case of this game, if you talk about this game, we can make some rule. Okay, for 1 tens, add one step up, and for 1 tens, minus for one step down. For in this game, whenever we'll add 1 tens, we can go up in a column, or whenever we will do any subtraction for 1 tens, we can come downwards in this column. Okay, just imagine that you are standing at the number 22 and someone asks to add 1 tens with the 22. Then what do you have to do? You have to take one step upwards toward in this row. So when you take a step towards the up, then you will reach to 32. If for 1 tens, you will take one step upward. For 2 tens, you will take 2 step upward. For 3 tens, you will take 3 step upwards. Let's see the reverse. Remember one thing, whenever you are doing any addition for tens, you will go towards the up. Now let's see for the subtraction. Now just imagine you are standing at the position of 72 and someone asks you to come subtract 1 tens. Then what you have to do? You can come one step to downwards. For 1 tens subtraction, you will come one step downward. For 2 tens subtraction, you will come 2 steps downward. So whenever it comes for the subtraction, you will come downwards. Now let's look at some rules for the ones. Okay. Can you identify this is a row or a column? This is a column. Okay. So for 1 ones addition, you can take one step towards right. And for 1 1 subtraction, you can take one step towards left. Suppose you are standing in the position of 14. Now someone asks you to add 1 with 14. Then what you have to do? You have to take one step towards right and you will reach to 15. So whenever you are doing addition in case of ones, then you will go towards right. Okay. And if you are standing at the position of 19, or someone asks you to subtract 1 ones from 19, then what you have to do? You have to take a step towards left. Okay, then you will reach to the 18. So whenever you are doing any subtraction, then you will come towards the left in a row. So these are some basic rules of this game. So गेम खेलने से पहले हमें रूल्स जान लेना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. जब भी हम टेंस की बात करते हैं, अगर हम 1 टेंस ऐड करते हैं तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक कॉलम में ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. और अगर हम 1 स्टेप माइनस की बात कर रहे हैं, कॉलम में हम 1 स्टेप नीचे आ सकते हैं जब 1 टेंस माइनस की बात कर रहे हैं. और जब हम फॉर 1 वंस की एडिशन की बात कर रहे हैं, तब हम एक रो में 1 स्टेप टुवर्ड्स राइट लेना पड़ेगा. और जब हम 1 वंस की सब्ट्रैक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं, तब हमें 1 स्टेप लेफ्ट को लेना पड़ेगा रो में. ठीक है, तो इतना आप लोग याद रखने की कोशिश करिए कि जो टेंस के लिए जो कैलकुलेशन है वो ज़्यादातर कॉलम में होगा, जो आपके राइट साइड पे है स्क्रीन में, और जो वंस के कैलकुलेशन है वो हमें रो में करना पड़ेगा. हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया कि कोई भी 2 डिजिट नंबर के दो पोजीशंस होते हैं, एक तो टेंस, दूसरा है वंस। सो टेंस के जो कैलकुलेशन है हम कॉलम वाइज करेंगे एंड वंस के जो कैलकुलेशन है हम रो वाइज करेंगे। So these are some basic rule of the games. Now let's move forward towards the game. Okay. So this is a number grid given in the screen, and let's recall the rules which we have just discussed before. Okay. In case of addition, for one ones, one step right in a row, and for one tens, one step up in a column. Okay. So, and for subtraction, we will see it later. Let's see the first question. First question is asking that 2 plus 10. So first of all, we have to reach to 2. Just imagine that you are in the box of 2 and you have to add 10 with 2. So we had already discussed in case of addition, when you add 1 tens, you have to take one step up in a column. So you will reach to one step up in this column and you will reach to 12. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 12. Isn't it? It seems so easy. It seems like so exciting also. So let's try another one. There is another question that is asking 14 plus 20. So here first number we have is 14. Okay. So first we have to reach to the 14 and second number we have is 20. In case of 20, if I'll ask you that how many tens are there in the number 20? Yes, you are right. There are two tens are there. When you add 10 plus 10, it will reach 20. So first reach to the 14. Okay. Then when we reach to the 14, we know in 20 there is two tens are there. So how many steps we have to take towards the up? We have to take two steps towards the up. Then we will reach to 34. So what will be the answer? Your answer will be the 34. Remember one thing, in this game you cannot move diagonally. You can only move upward, downward or left or right. It seems like more interesting. Let's play a game in more harder level. Okay. So next question is 25 plus 14. Okay. So we have two numbers. First one is 25 and second number is 14. So first we have to reach to which box? The box of 25. We have already reached. Now we have to add 14 with 25. What should be our first step? First step, we have to find out how many tens and ones are there in that number. In 14, we know how many tens are there? 1 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. We know for 1 tens we have to take one step towards up, and for 1 ones we have to take one step towards right. For in case of this question, 14 has 1 tens and 14 has 1 tens and 4 ones. So we have to take one step upwards and 4 steps towards right. So let's take one step upward, then we'll reach to 35. Then what we have to do? We have to take 4 steps towards right. We are standing in the 35, then when we will take 4 steps, we will reach to 39. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 39. So by using this number grid, you can easily find out the answer of any calculation. So now let's move forward to the next round. Before starting the next round, let's recall the basic rules of this game. Okay, we know in case of addition, for 1 ones we will take one step towards right, for 1 tens we will take one step towards up, and for in case of subtraction, for 1 ones we should take one step towards left, and for 1 tens we should take one step towards down. Let's do a question. First number has been given 55 minus second number is 10. We had just discussed that in case of subtraction, when you are subtracting a 1 tenth, then we have to go towards the down. So let's reach to the 55 first. We have reached to the 55. You can see the triangle is on the box of 55, and we had just discussed that in case of subtraction, of 1 tens, we have to go one step towards down. So when we will go one step toward down in that column, we will reach to the 45. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 45. Now let's do another one. 55 will be remain same. 55 minus 20. Okay. We know how many tens are there in the number 20. In the number 20, there are 2 tens are there. So in case of 1 tens, we will take one step towards down. And in case of 2 tens, how many steps we have to take towards down? 2 steps towards down. Let's reach to the 55 first. Then 55 minus 20. We know 20 have 2 tens, so we have to take 2 steps towards it down in that column. So when we will take 2 steps towards it down, we will reach to 35. So answer will be 35. This question seems like very easy, so let's make it little bit harder, then it will be more fun. So the question is in front of you in the screen, that 55 minus 33. Whenever you are doing any subtraction or any kind of mathematical calculation, first reach to the number given on the screen. First number we have 55 and second number we have is 33. First reach to the 55, then find out 33 has how many tens and how many ones. Can you tell me how many tens and ones are there in 33? Yes, 33 has 3 tens and 3 ones. So we know in case of subtraction, for 1 tens we have to take one step towards down, and for 1 ones we have to take one step towards left in case of subtraction. So in 33, how many tens and how many ones are there? 3 tens and 3 ones are there. So we have to take 3 steps towards down, then we will reach to 25, and 3 steps towards left, then we will reach to the 22. That is the answer of our question. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 22. Isn't it easier to calculate the mathematical operation without using pen and paper? सो ये बहुत ही इजी है पेन एंड पेपर से हमें करना. अगर हम एक बार इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लें अच्छे से, देन हम इजीली आंसर तक पहुंच सकते हैं. टिल नाउ यू हैव डन वेरी गुड. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द सम क्वेश्चन गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज दैट 37 plus 10. In this question, I will not take the whole number grid for the screen. I'll just take the important part of that number grid. But whenever you are watching this video, just take your number grid, number table in front of you, so that it will be easy for you to find out the numbers. Okay, I will take the important part only. So question is that 37 plus 10. First, what we have to do, we have to reach the 37. We know in case of addition, what we have to do, we have to go one step towards the up. So when you go one step towards the up, we will reach to 47. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 47. So now let's do another one. 37 plus 9. Let's find out the 37 in your number grid. I had just shown the important part of that number grid, number table, but you have to find out the number from the whole number grid which you have. Okay, so this is 37. We have to plus 9 with 37. So is it easier to find 37 plus 10? We can easily take one step towards up and find out the answer. But in case of 37 plus 9, we may face some problem. So let's first find out 37 plus 10 only. So when we add 10 with 37, then we will reach to 47. And we also know that 9 is 1 less than 10. Okay, so we have to come towards left from 47. When we will come one step towards left, then we will reach to 46. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 46. So जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में स्टार्टिंग में देखा, अगर 37 प्लस हम 9 करते हैं तो वो थोड़ा हार्ड साउंड करता है, थोड़ा क्रिटिकल साउंड करता है. बट अगर हम 37 प्लस 10 की बात करेंगे, 37 प्लस 10 में हमें कुछ नहीं करना होता, बस हमें वन स्टेप ऊपर चला जाना है. तो 37 से हम उसी कॉलम में वन स्टेप ऊपर चले जाएंगे तो कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे? 47 में पहुंच जाएंगे. तो हमें ये पता है अगर 37 प्लस 10 कर रहे हैं, जो 10 से वो 9 से कितना बड़ा है? एक बढ़ा है, तो हम अगर 1 पीछे चले आएंगे तो हम 37 प्लस 9 के आंसर तक पहुंच जाएंगे। तो हमने 37 में प्लस 10 करके हम कहाँ तक पहुंचे थे, 47 तक पहुंचे थे। और हमें पता है 10 9 से 1 बड़ा है, तो हमें 1 पीछे आना है। तो 47 से अगर हम 1 पीछे आएंगे तो हम 37 प्लस 9 के आंसर तक पहुंच जाएंगे। तो यहाँ हम कहाँ पहुंच गए, 46 पे। सो यहाँ पर आंसर क्या है, 46। आया कुछ समझ में? अगर अभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इसको डिटेल में हम समझ लेते हैं, कोई परेशान होने की बात नहीं है। लेट्स रिवाइज द रूल ऑफ दिस राउंड ऑफ गेम ऑल्सो। सो for addition of tens, what we have to do, we have to take one step towards up. For 1 tens, 1 step. For 2 tens, 2 steps. For 3 tens, 3 steps. And for addition of ones, we have to take 1 steps towards right. For 1 ones, 1 step right. For 2 ones, 2 steps right. Then for 1 1 subtraction, we have to take 1 step towards left. And for 1 subtraction of 1 tens, we have to take 1 step towards the down. Let's understand it with a number table. There is a small number table given here starting from 11 up to 55, and we are present in the number 33. So if someone asks you to add 2 tens, then what you have to do, we have to go to step towards the up in that column. So when we'll take one step, we'll reach to 43. When we'll take another step, we'll reach to 53. So answer will be 53. So when someone asks us that to add 2 ones, then what we have to do, we have to take 2 steps towards right. When we take 1 step towards right, we will reach to 34. When we will take another step towards right, we will reach to the 35. So we have to take 2 steps towards right for addition of 2. When someone asks you to subtract 2 ones with this number, then what we have to do, we have to go towards the left 2 steps. Okay, then we'll reach to the answer. Here in this case, when we subtract 2 ones with 33, we'll reach to the answer, that is 31. When someone asks to subtract 2 tens from 33, then what we have to do, we have to go towards the down. So 2 steps towards the down will reach to 13. So here answer will be 13. So हमें यहाँ से ये पता चला, अगर हमें टेंस का एडिशन करना है, हमें 1 टेंस के लिए 1 स्टेप ऊपर जाना है और 2 टेंस के लिए 2 स्टेप ऊपर जाना है। यहाँ पे जैसे एग्जांपल में हम देख सकते हैं 33 से हम अगर 2 टेंस ऐड करेंगे तो 2 स्टेप ऊपर जाके हम कहाँ पहुंचेंगे, 53 पे। ऐसे ही अगर हम 2 वंस की बात करेंगे, 2 वंस के एडिशन की बात करेंगे, तो 2 वंस ऐड करके हम 33 में हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 2 स्टेप टुवर्ड्स राइट जाना पड़ेगा, तो हम 35 को पहुंच जाएंगे। सो इतना ध्यान रखना आप लोग कि एडिशन के लिए या तो हम ऊपर जाएंगे या टुवर्ड्स राइट जाएंगे। टेंस के एडिशन के लिए हम ऊपर जाएंगे एंड वंस के एडिशन के लिए हम राइट को जाएंगे। और सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में टेंस के सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हम टुवर्ड्स डाउन आएंगे और वंस के सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए हम लेफ्ट को जाएंगे। Just try to remember these rules, then you will easily find out the answer using the number grid without using any pen and paper. Now let's do a question. This question is also given in your book. How will I go from 22 to 41? Now just look at your number grid you have. I will just take that part of number grid which I need. So here both of the number are there. First one is 22. We are at the position of 22. We have to reach to the position of 41. How do you go? From this picture we can easily see that by taking 2 steps upward we can easily go to the close to the 41. Yes or no? So let's take 2 step towards the up, then we'll reach to the number 42. 42 number is very close to the 41. To get reach to the 41, what we have to do, then we have to come back towards the left from 42. Okay, so first what we had done, we are in the position of 22, then we had just gone 2 steps towards the up. We had already discussed, जब भी हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं एक स्टेप, then it means 1 tens. जब हम 2 स्टेप ऊपर जा रहे हैं it means 2 tens and 2 tens means 20. So 22 plus 20 is 42. देन हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, देन हमें 42 से एक स्टेप पीछे आना पड़ेगा. सो व्हेन वी कम टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट देन आई विल रीच टू द 41. सो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, आप बस पिक्चर पे फोकस करिए. पहले हम 2 स्टेप ऊपर गए एंड देन एक स्टेप हम लेफ्ट को आए. तो हमें पता है एक स्टेप ऊपर के लिए 1 टेंस एडिशन होता है एंड 2 स्टेप ऊपर के लिए 2 टेंस एडिशन होगा. तो इट विल रीच अप टू 2 टेंस मीन्स 20. एंड हमने और क्या किया है, 1 स्टेप हम लेफ्ट को भी आए हैं मीन्स 1 सब्ट्रैक्शन भी होगा. सो हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स डिड ही गो इन ऑल, 20 हम ऊपर गए हैं. सो 20 एंड 1 स्टेप हम पीछे आए हैं लेफ्ट को. सो 20 minus 1 equal to 19. So in this way you can reach to the answer very easily. You can find out the answer in other way also. This question has been given in your book also. You can see in the picture in the lower side. You could also go this way, from 22 take one step left to 21. First you can take a step to left to the 21, then 2 jump up to 41. Then also the same case, when you take one step towards the left, you had just subtract 1, then you will reach to 21. Then when you take 2 step towards up, you will reach to 41. So you can sub 20 and you can subtract 1 from 20, then you will get the steps you have taken, that is 19. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now in this question, how will I go from 35 to 53? Just imagine that you are standing at the position of 35 and you have to go to which position? You have to go to the 53. So we had already discussed that in this number grid we cannot go diagonally. We have to take steps to up and down or left and right. So first what you have to do, you have to go to close to the number 53. Then we can go take 2 steps towards the up and go close to the 53, that is 55. And we know when you are taking 2 steps towards up, it means 2 tens addition. 2 tens addition means you can add 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. So then what we have to do to reach 53? We have to take 2 steps towards left to reach to 53. And 2 steps towards there left means subtraction of 2 from 55, that 55 minus 2 is equal to 53. Now let's take how many steps we have to take in this question. So we had take 2 steps towards up and we had take 2 steps towards the left. We know 2 steps towards up means addition of 20 and 2 steps towards left means subtraction of 2. So 2 minus 2 is 18. So how many steps did he go in all? 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. Isn't this question seems like more interesting? So let's practice more. Let's practice another one. Let's make it harder. So question is 46 plus 28. Will it easier to go to 46 plus 30 first? Yes, obviously. For 30, we can just take 3 tens towards, we can just take 3 steps upwards. So we are now in the position of 46. When we'll take 3 steps towards up, then we'll reach to the which number? 76. Then we know that 28 is 2 less than 30. So we have to come left 2 steps. Okay. So first what we have done, we have take 3 steps towards the up. Then we had just come towards the left. How many steps? 2 steps. Now calculate how the answer, the steps which we have taken to reach up to the answer. Okay, so here what we have done, first we have just taken 3 steps towards the up. We just add 46 plus 30, that is more easier than 46 plus 28. So then we have just taken 2 steps towards the left. इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया, हमारे पास क्वेश्चन ये था 46 प्लस 28. हमें ये पता है कि हम 46 प्लस 30 इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि 30 में 3 टेंस है बस और कुछ नहीं है. तो हमने पहले क्या किया, 46 प्लस 30 3 टेंस मीन्स 3 टेंस हम ऊपर चलेंगे। 46 से हम 3 स्टेप्स हम जब ऊपर चले जाएंगे हम कहाँ पहुंचेंगे? 76 को पहुंचेंगे। तो हम जब 76 तक पहुंच गए देन 20, ये भी हमें पता है 28 जो है 30 से 2 कम है, तो हमें 2 कम मतलब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 स्टेप्स पीछे आना पड़ेगा। पीछे मीन्स लेफ्ट को आना पड़ेगा। सो 76 से हम जब 2 स्टेप्स लेफ्ट को आए तो हम कहाँ पहुंचे? 74 पे पहुंच गए। तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है? 74। Now let's do another one. 23 less than 89 is dash. So we are in the position of 89. What we have to find? We have to find the number which is 23 less than 89. So whenever we are doing this kind of question, first take up your position. In this question we are in the position of 89 and second number is we have 23. So how many tens and ones 29 has? 29 has 2 tens and 3 ones. So we know for in case of subtraction for tens what we have to do? We have to come towards the down, and in case of subtraction for ones we have to come towards the left. So here 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. So we have to take 2 steps towards down and 3 steps towards left. Then we'll reach to which number? 66. So here answer will be 66. So 23 less than 89 is 66. Now let's do another one. Here question is that, simple question is that 87 minus 14 is dash. 14 have 1 tens and 4 ones, we know it. So what we have to do? First find out your position, that is 87 in the number grid. Once you get your position, then find out how many tens and ones are there in the second number. 1 tens and 4 ones. And we know for subtraction, for 1 tens we have to come towards the down. So when you come towards the down, we will reach to 77. And how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So how many steps we should take towards the left? 4 steps towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will reach to the which number? 47. So in this question what will be the answer? Answer will be 47. Sorry, 73. Let's do another one. Last one but not the least one. Question is asking that 45 plus dash 99. What do you want? How many steps you have to take to reach 99 from 45? In this type of question you can subtract 45 from 99 also. Otherwise you can do it with the help of number grid. Okay, now find out in which position you are. You are in the position of 45 and you have to reach to the which number? 99. So here let's find out which step we have to take. We can easily see it from the number grids that we have to go to the 99 from 45. Then we have to take one step right, then one step right. I means 4 steps towards the right. Then we know 4 steps towards the right means 4 ones. Then how many steps we have to take towards the upward? We have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps. 5 steps towards the upward. We know 5 steps towards the upward means 5 tens and 5 tens means 50. So now we have 4 ones and 5 tens. When you add these number, 5 tens means 50 and 4 ones means 4. So 50 plus 4 is 54. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 54. Is it much easier than the normal addition? It is more interesting also. So practice it daily. And that's all for today. I had given some worksheet and Google form question also. You have to do those questions without using the pen and paper. Find out the answer. Try to not use pen and paper. Just draw a number grid, number table in a paper. Just look at that table and try to find out the answer by the method which we have discussed in this video. So all the best for you for the worksheet and the question given. Try to finish it as soon as possible and reply me. Send me the picture of your answer and thank you. Stay home, stay safe.